welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take you into the journey of some Vexten Forged wheels. Beautiful wheels, 20-inch wheels. I'm going to show you the unpacking. We're going to weigh them, and then we're going to ceramic coat them using our turbo wax boosted 2.0 right here. On this video we're going to spray them, and the reason we're going to be spraying them is because there's a lot of small openings. They're very hard to reach, and also they have screws on the back, and I like to get behind that area there, so I'm going to take you through all that journey. So nevertheless, we're going to flip this thing around, show you the packing, show you the wheels, and we're going to weigh them, spray them, and come back to you with our final thoughts about the wheels. So to the ceramic coating the wheels we go. Alright, so the first thing that I noticed is a double box. So that's very nice. And then this is how they come with this foam, and they are 20-inch right here. Vexten Forged VXT-35 size 20. The offset and the color gray polishing lid. So very nice. And then I have the we're gonna put the boosted, of course. I have one here ready to show you, and then we have the airbrush. I have a video about the airbrush, and especially the guns, and of course the product that we always use, the prep oil. Got my mask. It's gonna be messy, the gloves. And so first step, we're gonna clean them up with the prep oil, and then we're gonna start spraying away. I gotta turn the fan. So the main reason to spray them is because these guys here, see that? That's hard to reach places. This is hard to reach places, and the back side. So nevertheless, so I have everything laid out here. Extreme care with these things. I have this thing here that I'm ceramic coating. I just delivered another set of tires and wheels. I got the scale here ready. So let's see what the scale says. I always measure the weigh the wheels. So let's go. Okay, so the wheels come up at the 30.2. So that's what the wheels are weighing right there with the plastic. So now we know. Okay, so next step, let's put her on the table and start the process. So first step, with the prep oil, spray into the microfiber, and then just wipe the surface off, get a dry side, remove it, let it air or evaporate for about 60 seconds, and then you're good to go. On to the coating. We got the compressor ready, and we have a video about it. So simply gonna put the coating inside the airbrush and spray it away. We're gonna put the mask, which I have here already, and open the door a little bit, get us some ventilation going, and we're simply gonna spray away. So let me see if I can get a better view of this. way to ceramic coat your wheels. And remember, you can do it hand application or with the airbrush. Anyways, that was just a quick view of how we spray them. So thank you for your support. Check us online, turbowax.com. Until next time.